My story is I started learning copy January 2019, 6 years ago. Brand new to copywriting, didn't know a thing about it. I started learning. I bought tons of copywriting books. I bought tons of courses. I invested about $5,000 in my copywriting education. I started writing right away, started reading the books. I didn't have anybody around me who was into this stuff, but I just started learning and practicing and spending about 2 to 4 hours a day writing copy and studying copy. I landed my first client in 6 weeks. I was able to quit my job in 3 months. I was able to, what happened next? 3 months, moved to Thailand. I hit my first $5,000 a month in 7 months and my first $9,000 a month in the 12-month mark from that part. So how to approach copywriting as a beginner, you need to treat this like a business from day one. So if you're a beginner to copywriting, go treat this like you're in university. Treat this like this is a business, not just some side hustle, get rich quick thing, because it's not. That's not what this is. How to approach it as a beginner, go study the craft. Go practice writing every day. Spend 1 hour a day writing, 1 hour a day studying, and when you're ready, 1 hour a day pitching clients. That's 3 hours. If you do that for at least 3 hours every day, I guarantee you will be making $5,000 a month within 1 year. Guaranteed, probably sooner than that. So approach this like it's an actual business and treat it like that. Work on it every single day, study, write, and outreach, and you're going to win. That's the basic roadmap. The basic roadmap, you need to get good at copy first. Then you need to go land your first client. And the way you're going to land your first client is by approaching friends, family, coworkers for free or for cheap, offline, people who are local, people who already know, like, and trust you. Give them free work, give them free tips, give them free samples up front. Do whatever you can to get your foot in the door, build case studies. Take your case studies, then you're going to go online and you're going to use those case studies, the proof of results you've gotten with as a copywriter, to land those clients. So common mistakes I see with new copywriters. They don't spend enough time writing. Step one, they write for 5-10 minutes a day and they think they're a copywriter. Step two, they focus way too much on their personal brand, trying to get inbound leads and writing content to try to build some business that's a woo-woo fairy dust that doesn't exist. A business is when you give someone an offer and they pay you money for that thing. You give someone a product or service and they give you the dollars. So common mistakes, people get way too focused on all these 500,000 things. Just focus on the basics. Write every day, study copy every day, and pitch clients every day. Common mistake number 3, people spam cold DMs and cold emails and hundreds of outreaches when they're going into outreach mode, and they don't personalize them. They don't add any value to the conversation. They just ask, and they don't give anything. So give value up front and be willing to grind and eat dirt for a bit to build up proof that you can do what you're saying you can do in order to then get paid later. Those are some of the main